Hi everybody, and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a burrito character. So pull out a paper and something to draw with, and let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna start with the top of the burrito. So we're gonna go like this, line down, and then one other line on the side like that. Perfect. Next, we're gonna draw some squiggly shapes for some ground beef inside. Like this. Perfect. Next, let's add a couple little drips right here on the top. And then let's close the burrito like this. Just like that. Perfect. Next, we're gonna draw the rest of the body of the burrito. And we're gonna go down. And then curve around. And then this side, the same thing. Down, curve around. Perfect. Next, let's move inside the shape of the burrito, and we're gonna draw the character's face now. A big eye like that. Another eye like that. And then two lines underneath the eye. Just like that. Perfect. Let's add the pupils looking to the side. And two eyebrows on top. And then a little smiley face to finish our burrito's face. A couple details on the side. And some arms and legs. One arm, two arms, a little leg, and a second leg. Finish our burrito with a couple details. And there we have a burrito character. Yeah! Good job. You did a really good job following along today. I hope you'll come back and draw with me again soon. Bye! If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit yayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!